Today's topic is permutation. In order to use permutation, we have to learn about principles of counting. Do you know what are the principles of counting?
No, we need to learn about principles of counting.
Principles of counting are addition principle and multiplication principle. Today we learn about addition principle and multiplication principle and basic permutation technique. If A and B are events and A occurs in m ways and B occurs in n ways, A or B can occur in m plus n ways. This is called addition principle. Addition principle is a rule that can be applied for mutually exclusive events also.
Please explain multiplication principle.
If A, B, and C are independent events occurring in m, n, and p ways, the total number of ways in which these events occur is given by m into n into p. This is called multiplication principle.
Please tell us about permutation.
Now we will learn what is permutation. Permutation is arrangement of objects in a specific manner or order. If there are n number of objects and r number of objects need to be selected, then we use the formula npr, which is given by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. In order to understand this formula, we need to work out an example. If there are 6 books and we need to choose 2 books from the rack, there are 6 P2 ways of selection. The calculation goes as 6 P2 is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial. This gives 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial, that is 6 into 5, which is 30. So there are 30 ways of selecting 2 books from a rack of 6 books. With this we conclude this session. We will meet again.
Thank you, madam, for a wonderful session.